Welcome to Kibbles and Bits BMT workout video. Let's get started. Alright, pretty much they start you off with calisthenics day, which is a bunch of push-ups, sit-ups, and a bunch of crunches and crap. You'll find out when you get there, but I'll just show you some of them. First thing off, the push-up. Proper procedure is, well, down on the ground, back straight, head forward, whatever. Hands totally spread out. Feet can't be more than 12 inches apart, so either like here or here, not here. So together, and keep your back straight, and you go by their count, so it goes, they'll be like, down, up. You go, 1, sir, down, up, 2, sir, down, up, 3, sir, down, up, 4, sir, down, up, 5, sir, down, up, 6, sir, down, up, 7, sir, down, up, 8, sir, down, up, 9, sir, down, up, 10, sir. And then you either do, depending on what week you're on, once you get there, you do like maybe 10 or 15 sets of 3. So you do 15, then you get up and you do some weird friggin' stretch or whatever. And then you go back down, do 15 more, get back up, do some weird stretch. Then go back down and do 15 more. By 8th week, you should be doing like 30 each time, so equal of 90 push-ups. Fun stuff. Not really, it sucks. Anyways, well, after you do that, you do 3 sets of however many you can do. Just try to do that. And then they move on to, fuck, I can't remember. Sit-ups, why not? Pretty much, you're down, and you have a partner who will hold down on your feet, and then he will just kind of sit there and brace you down, and you go by and start your space again. Again, he'll go, how does he do it? Start from up position and go down? Up, down. Yeah, he starts from the down position, and he'll say up, and you go up, and he says down. You go 1, sir, up, down, 2, sir, up, down, 3, sir, up, down, 4, sir, up, down, 5, sir, up, down, 6, sir, up, down, 7, sir, up, down, 9, sir, up. I miscounted, but you get the point. Do like 10 or whatever those, or how many sit-ups you can do, 3 sets of whatever. So everything comes in 3, so you will notice that when you get there. When you're doing calisthenics, always sets of 3, and for sit-ups there is no stretch. Your break time is when you switch with your wingman. So pretty much you'll go down and hold their feet, and they'll do their set of however many they can do. Usually start off with like 10 or 15, 0 week, and by 8th week you should be doing 30 to equal 90. So now that you understand that, hopefully, what else did they do? Did your sit-ups, your push-ups. Oh, they have a bunch of weird ones. They have one of them that's kind of like a setup, but you also need a wingman with it. It's weird, but it kind of works. Pretty much, you get down to the ground, and you have your feet up, and you put your hands behind your head, but your wingman is supposed to be holding your feet. I, personally, do not have a wingman, if you could not tell. Any hoosers, it pretty much just goes, it's a 3-count movement. It goes 1, you put your left elbow to your right knee, and then it goes 2, you go back down to the position, and it says 3, and you take your right elbow to your left knee, and you go back down. That is 1. You will do like 15 to 10 of them, depending on what week, up to 30 if by 8th week, hopefully. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, sir, 1, 2, 3, 2, sir, 1, 2, 3, 3, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, sir, 1, 2, 3, 5, sir, 1, 2, 3, 6, sir, 1, 2, 3, 7, sir, 1, 2, 3, 8, sir, 1, 2, 3, 9, sir, 1, 2, 3, 10, sir, 1, 2, 3, 11, sir. And then after you do your set of whatever, and your wingman will go down to the ground and do the same thing, pretty much put their feet like right here on your thighs, and you just hold them there, and you just kind of sit there, or stand there, or whatever. That's another set of 3. Fun stuff. Holy crap. Sets of 3. It's a trend. And then I go on to, what else did I do? Oh, leg lifts. They're pretty much really easy. You pretty much lay down on the ground, sit on your hands like this. Look, my hands are underneath my butt. And they will do, everybody does this independently. And they'll say, you hold your feet about 6 inches off the ground, and they say up, down, apart. You do that. You keep them in the air. You only go up a little bit. You don't like kick them all the way up like you're trying to kick yourself in the back of the head. Not good. They will yell at you for that. Therefore, you just go up, down, apart. 1, sir, up, down, apart. 2, sir, up, down, apart. 3, sir, up, down, apart. 4, sir, up, down, apart. 5, sir, up, down, apart. 6, sir, what? Down, apart. 7, sir, up, down, apart. 8, sir, up, down, apart. 9, sir, up, down, apart. 10, sir. Then you do 3 sets of whatever they tell you. Holy cow, another set of 3 with a... Is there a break in there? I can't remember that. Hate being sick. Anyways, what else do I have? The squat thrust, my favorite. Pretty much it's in a 3-count movement. Yeah. It's also your TI tools, which pretty much is a set of push-ups, set of squat thrusts, and a set of flutter kicks. It's pretty much their punishment. Instead of punching you in the face or calling you a dirtbag or whatever weird name they come up with you, they just say, get on your face, you start doing push-ups, and you do flutter kicks, and then you do squat thrusts. This is the squat thrust. It's a 3-count movement. You're probably going to say, it's on the 1, you go down on the ground, and then on 2, you kick your legs out. And then on 3, bring them back up, and then you come back up. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, sir, 1, 2, 3, 2, sir, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't count. 1, 2, 3, 5, sir, 1, 2, 3, 6, sir, 1, 2, 3, 7, sir, 1, 2, 3, 8, sir, 1, 2, 3, 9, sir, 1, 2, 3, 10, sir. And you'll set of 3 of those. Holy cow. Come on, water break. And you'll set of those, which will be fun, of course. Then that's basically the basic of them. Almost forgot. Pyramid push-ups! No, they're not fun. I'm clapping sarcastically. Anyways, pyramid push-up. You don't know what it is? Today's your day. You're going to learn that they suck. Pretty much, it's a push-up. They'll say down, up, that's 1. Then I'll turn it this way, show you. And then they'll say roll. And you pivot on your right hand over onto your butt with your hands up. And then you wave them like you don't care. Kidding. And then they'll say down, up. That's 1. Then they'll say roll. Then you roll back over. And they'll just say down, up, 1, down, up, 2. Roll. Hands up in the air. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2. Then they'll say roll. You roll back over, back into the push-up position. Then they'll go down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3. Then he'll roll you over again. They'll say roll. Hands back up in the air. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2, down, up, 3. Then you've done 3. I'll say roll. And because I'm a lazy ass, we're only going up to 3. You will usually go up to 8. And you go back down. So you have to do 2 push-ups, then a set of 1 push-ups. Then you'll be done with pyramid push-ups. Imagine going up to 8. Do the math. It sucks. And then it'll say down, up, 1, down, up, 2. Then it'll say roll. and you roll back over, down, up, 1, down, up, 2, then you roll back, they'll say roll again, and roll back over, and do down, up, 1, and then they'll say roll. I'm starting to sing, it's kind of annoying. Put your hands up, and then you go down, up, 1, and they'll say, go ahead, get up, and you get right back up. That's pretty much it, but imagine going up to 8, then having to come back to down to 1, or 0, whatever you want to call it. I gotta think of other workouts. Damn it. What else did we do? All I can think is tech school workouts. Yeah, you get to tech school, your workouts are freaking weird. You will not like them, I tell you. Because they use like gay P90X. It's god awful. Can't think. That's pretty much the basics of calisthenics day. It's fairly easy. Kinda hard at first, but you get used to it. And then on any other day you're not doing calisthenics, you'll be doing a run day. That is pretty much self-explanatory. How it works out is you get on this weird looking track deal and you get classified in a lane, depending on how fast your first mile and a half run time is. You will be in whatever lane. Blue is the fastest, red is the slowest. Green and yellow are in between. Green is second to fastest, yellow is second to slowest. Self-explanatory, but run day, you pretty much start off, and there's an instructor at the front of the pack, and he'll just start running, and you follow his pace for about 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how gay they feel like being, and then a whistle will blow, and then all of a sudden, you're on your own pace for running, and you start running at your own pace. And you run at your own pace for about, I'd say a good about 10 to 12 minutes again. And after you do that, they will do sprints and walks. So therefore, another whistle will blow, and you do a 30-second sprint. Just sprint your ass off, sprint, and it'll go. And you just start walking, just walk. No fast walk, just walk casually. And it'll go again, and you'll sprint again. And so you sprinting, and it'll go again, and you'll walk for 30 seconds. So then it'll go again, sprint for 30 seconds, and it'll go again, walk for 30 seconds. Sprint, walk, until they say, okay, you're done, go back to your spots, and you'll go back to your spot, get your canteen web on. Wait, never mind, you don't do that. You do cool down stretches and warm-up stretches, which I don't remember those, but they do some sort of stretch, and it actually works out because it stretches out these bad boys and this and your back and all the, ugh. For all I know, it probably stretches out your butt cheek. Whatever. But I wish the best of luck to you, and I hope you have a great time at BMT. Make out the most of it because you're only going to do it once. And don't get recycled. Try not to get sick and get recycled because that sucks. I know a bunch of people that got recycled. Do not get recycled. You're also, I believe, if you're a National Guard, really hard to get recycled. Not kidding. It's super hard to get recycled. Because you're on the guard schedule and they pretty much won't recycle you because they know you're on a schedule. Therefore, don't get recycled. And just try your best. Do everything to a maximum. The dorm stuff, folding clothes and folding beds isn't that hard. You'll find people who are good at it. And then you'll find people who suck at it and I don't know if you're really good or bad. Who cares? You'll find out. You can't really prepare for that crap. Best advice I can give to you, every advice I've heard, do what you were told, not how you're told. So if I'm telling you, go grab me this piece of paper, don't take me as yelling at you. Take me as telling you, go get me the piece of paper. Do what you're told, not how you're told. Even though they are yelling at you, just pretty much think in your mind, it's like a normal person having a normal conversation with you. Even though they kind of seem angry and they got a really nasty face on their face. Yeah, that makes sense. No, it doesn't. Anyways, they got a nasty look. Doesn't mean they're really angry. Sure, they will get angry and go throw something, but they will not throw it at you. They cannot touch you. If they do, I don't know. You guys will figure that out if you want to report them or if you just want to suck it up. So, again, best of luck to you. And I hope this video works out. Probably didn't because I'm a terrible instructor and I think I forgot a few calisthenics workouts, but those are the basic ones and you will be fine. Oh, almost forgot the airman's air squats. Probably the funniest workout you will ever see in your life. Haha! pretty much it's, you just start off like this, and they go down, and you squat, and you put your hands up, and they go up. Yeah, it's a stupid air squat, just doing squats like you're doing them at a gym, but you're not. You're doing them with yourself. Try doing 100 of them, your legs will be sore. Anyways, best of luck to you. Hopefully this works out, and have a good one.